Cockroaches in the house? This trick will make them gone forever. Hello, nice to see you again on Great Tips channel. Have you ever seen this scene? While cooking delicious food, suddenly see a cockroach crawling across the kitchen. Or while relaxing in the bath, discover them lurking in the corner of the bathroom? Even though you have used sprays, hung scented bags, or even invested in insect repellent machines, are they still stubborn, unyielding, and playing tricks as if they were never afraid? Don't worry. Today, I will reveal to you an extremely simple trick to repel cockroaches. Non-toxic, inexpensive, and surprisingly effective. With just one easy-to-find ingredient that everyone has in their kitchen, you will make the cockroaches run away, not daring to come back. Let's explore right away. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Method 1. Trap cockroaches with garlic. Did you know that just a handful of garlic is enough to make cockroaches run away from your house? First, peel the garlic. Crush or chop it to activate allicin. This pungent smell will keep cockroaches away. Put the garlic in a bowl. Add dish soap and hot water. Stir well. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap. Where are you from? It's great to know we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Thanks for your support. And let it soak for about 20 minutes. Then, strain the liquid and put it in a spray bottle or a bottle with holes. How to use. Just spray this solution in places where cockroaches often hide, such as the corners of cabinets, under the kitchen, around water pipes or trash cans. Garlic will help repel cockroaches thanks to its characteristic pungent smell, while the detergent will break down the oil layer on the cockroach's skin, causing them to lose water and die gradually. A small, easy, and extremely effective tip, right? Now you can enjoy a clean kitchen without worrying about being harassed by cockroaches. Method 2. Repel cockroaches with bay leaves. Are you afraid of using chemicals? Don't like the strong smell of sprays? Try this super simple and completely safe trick, just a handful of bay leaves. How to do it. Dried bay leaves will be more fragrant and will last longer, but fresh leaves are still good. Place them in places where cockroaches often go, such as kitchen corner, behind the refrigerator, near the trash can, under the sink. The scent of bay leaves is very strong for cockroaches, making them uncomfortable and stay away. Although it does not kill cockroaches, this trick helps repel and prevent them from coming back effectively, especially suitable for long-term use. Tip: you should replace the leaves every 1 to 2 weeks to ensure the scent is always strong enough. And don't forget to keep your house clean, because a clean environment will give cockroaches no place to hide. Method 3. Using banana peels. That's right, banana peels, which seem useless after eating, can become extremely effective cockroach-killing weapons. First, prepare a piece of cardboard or a foam tray, square or rectangular as long as it is large enough to fit into hidden corners. Take a sufficient amount of honey and pour it onto the foam tray. Use a spoon to spread the honey evenly over the entire surface. The sweet aroma of honey will spread in the air, becoming the first bait for cockroaches. Next, take the banana peel and use a knife to cut it into small pieces. The smaller the better, so that the banana scent can spread more easily. Sprinkle the chopped banana peel evenly over the honey layer, then gently spread it out so that the banana peel blends with the honey. Then sprinkle some sugar on top. The sweetness of the sugar will attract cockroaches even more. Sprinkle the sugar evenly over the entire area to become an irresistible sweet trap. The final step is to pour a layer of laundry detergent on top. Some chemical components in laundry detergent are toxic to cockroaches. When cockroaches eat the mixture of detergent, their digestive system will be affected, leading to their death. You should spread the detergent evenly over the entire surface covered with honey, banana peels, and sugar. Place the trap in places where cockroaches often appear, such as cracks and crevices in kitchen cabinets. These areas often have food scraps left over, which is where cockroaches often look for food. The smell of honey, banana peels, and white sugar is like an invisible fragrance attracting cockroaches to come. When eaten, chemicals such as surfactants in the detergent will destroy the protective wax layer on the cockroach's body, penetrate inside, and disrupt their metabolism, leading to death. The sweet scent will spread quickly in a narrow space and attract cockroaches. When in contact with the trap containing laundry detergent, the alkaline substances in it will affect the cockroaches, helping to repel and kill them. You can make many traps and place them in different locations to increase the effectiveness. That way, whether cockroaches appear when you are cooking or bathing, they can be effectively killed by this sweet trap. Helps repel and kill cockroaches, bringing a cleaner and healthier living environment for the whole family. Method 4. Repel insects with cloves. First, pour 300 milliliters of water into a pan. Add whole cloves and heat. Then add 5 bay leaves and turn on the stove. When the water starts to change color and the pleasant aroma spreads throughout the house, you have a powerful insect repellent juice. Next, slowly sprinkle 2 tablespoons of baking soda into the pan. The mixture will foam. Add a little at a time to avoid overflow. Stir until completely dissolved. Use a funnel to pour the mixture into a spray bottle. How to use. Spray this mixture around doors, kitchen cabinets, windowsills, and other places where insects often visit. The scent of cloves and bay leaves will keep them away. The mixture can be stored for 2 months without losing its effectiveness. From the day you use this tip, you will be surprised to see no more ants, flies, or cockroaches in the kitchen. Method 5. Trap cockroaches with onions. Prepare half an onion. Slice or mince the onion. Put the onions in a small box. Place the plate in places where cockroaches often appear, such as under the kitchen cabinet, behind the refrigerator, next to the drain. Replace the onion every 1 to 2 days to maintain the pungent smell. Cockroaches will avoid areas with onion odor or be turned off by the strong smell. Method 6. Make a cockroach trap from baking soda and sugar. Make a cockroach trap from baking soda and sugar. Eco-friendly, non-toxic, and incredibly effective. Mix a little baking soda with an equal amount of sugar. Mix this mixture well, then sprinkle it on cardboard, such as cardboard from a cardboard box, which is strong and not easily torn. Once cut, it will easily fit into corners and hold the material securely. Place the cover in places where cockroaches frequent, such as the kitchen, behind the refrigerator, or between sinks. Dirty places like this often have food crumbs and cockroaches like to go there. Damp bathrooms are also a favorite place for cockroaches. Place the cardboard near the toilet, cabinet legs, or bathroom where they hide. The smell of sugar will mask the smell of baking soda, making it unsuspecting for cockroaches to eat. Baking soda is the nemesis of cockroaches. When they eat it, the chemical reaction will produce a lot of gas, causing bloating, causing cockroaches to explode from the inside. The sweet smell of sugar is an irresistible food signal to cockroaches. Using it as bait is very effective. Even though it is a natural and homemade cockroach killer, you should still keep it out of reach of children and pets. Check the cardboard every 2 to 3 days. If it is worn out or damp, replace it to maintain effectiveness. Method 7. Trap cockroaches with instant noodle water. Don't rush to throw away the leftover instant noodle water after using it. I'll reveal to you a simple yet extremely effective trick to repel cockroaches. Prepare a bowl and pour in some instant noodle water. Place the bowl near the kitchen trash can, an ideal place because cockroaches often come here to find food. Next, add dishwashing liquid to the bowl. Stir well. The smell of instant noodles will attract cockroaches, acting as bait. The smell of the noodle water will attract cockroaches to eat it. When they eat it, they will swallow the dishwashing liquid, which is toxic to cockroaches and will kill them after digestion. Weak cockroaches that eat a lot will die in the bowl. Some stronger ones may crawl out, but they will also die from the poison. Even though the trap is natural, you should still place it out of reach of children and pets. Check the trap every 2 to 3 days. If you find the mixture has been eaten or spoiled, replace it immediately to maintain effectiveness. These 7 methods all create effective, sweet traps for cockroaches. Try it now for a cleaner home. This natural way to kill cockroaches is easy and effective. Hopefully, it will help you get rid of cockroaches quickly. Which cockroach repelling method impresses you the most? Try it today to have a clean house, free of cockroaches. Hopefully, this little tip will help you get rid of the cockroach obsession easily. Thank you for watching. See you in the next Great Tips on the Great Tips channel.